Hello, everyone. I'm excited to share the successful development of a custom operating system prototype that brings together core OS functionalities with a fully integrated graphical user interface. This project was a significant milestone in my journey as it allowed me to merge low-level system concepts with user-friendly design and interactive features. The OS prototype focuses on memory management, multitasking, and GUI-based user interaction, all developed entirely from scratch using C++ with the help of SFML, GTK, and VLC media player libraries. Let's dive into the highlights. Memory management was one of the core components. I designed a structured form-based interface where users could simulate dynamic memory allocation. This experience helped me understand how memory is managed and optimized within a running system, especially when multiple applications are competing for resources. Speaking of multiple applications, multitasking and scheduling were also central to the prototype. I implemented a custom task scheduler that ensures smooth execution of concurrent apps, simulating how a real OS manages multiple processes efficiently in the background. The prototype comes packed with a wide range of integrated applications, each demonstrating different OS interactions, productivity tools like a calculator, task manager, calendar, clock, and stopwatch, a suite of games such as Minesweeper, chess, number guess, tic-tac-toe, and snake core file management utilities. Create, move, copy, and file info. A fully functional file browser for navigating the local disk. See multimedia players for both video and audio playback. Each application operates in its own window, supporting minimize and restore functionality. This window management system allows users to run multiple apps simultaneously and switch between them seamlessly, mimicking real-world OS behavior. From a technical perspective, this project was more than just coding. It gave me deep hands-on experience with operating system architecture, process scheduling, event-driven programming, and resource management at the system level. Integrating these with a graphical interface was both challenging and rewarding. In summary, this custom OS prototype is a comprehensive demonstration of blending core computing concepts with practical, user-focused software design. It represents the intersection of system programming and UI development, and I'm proud of how it turned out. I'm excited to continue exploring this path and take on even more complex system-level projects in the future. Thank you.